This 1.9 cubic foot convection microwave by Frigidaire combines 1,000 watts of power with a 400 CFM 3-speed blower, allowing for faster cooking with no steam, fumes, or odor. It has a smudge-proof stainless front with a large black glass viewing window, a side pocket handle, and features an integrated glass touch control panel with multiple sensor cooking options and several cooking modes, including the option to air fry, along with an easy-to-read LED display. Inside is a stainless interior, a cooking guide, a push-to-open air filter, one oven rack, one 14-inch rotating glass turntable, a round rack, and an air fry tray and pan. To learn more about microwaves, visit us at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.